Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Shibarium will get Shiba Inu to $1 exactly by breaking this. Today's Shiba Inu news: Shiba Eternity, a collectible card game that allowed players to engage in non-violent combat with Shiboshis and was published earlier this month, seems to be a hit with the community behind the meme-inspired cryptocurrency Shiba Inu. In this video, we'll discuss how to do just that, which is how Shibarium will raise Shiba Inu's price to $1. Today's Shiba Inu news: if you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shiba Eternity currently has a 4.6 out of 5-star rating in the Google Play Store. The game has received over 11,000 reviews on Apple's App Store since its release, with a 4 out of 8 rating scale. In Shiba Eternity, players can choose from a variety of cards and play them in order to lower their opponent's virtual K9 warrior's Shiboshi stamina. After being tested in Vietnam in August, the game was first launched in Australia in September. Players are given information about the project's founder by a sensei named Ryoshi when the game first begins. A tutorial mission that introduces players to the game's mechanics is provided to them. With 10,000 Shiboshi heroes, 500 collectible cards, 87 card traits, 21 special powers, 21 card keywords, 11 passive powers, and more, the Shiba Inu team claims that the game may be among the most complicated collectible card games ever released. 5% of the game's revenue will be used to burn additional Shiba Inu tokens, further reducing the cryptocurrency's available supply. Token burns have been employed for a long time by the SHIB army to lower supply and aid the SHIB's price rise if demand increases. SHIB's burn rate increased by 100% to reach 61 million SHIB in just 24 hours, as CryptoGlobe reported late last month. The meme-inspired cryptocurrency community has created many ways to make money and burn SHIB, including through an Amazon affiliate scheme and a music playlist the community consumes. When Ethereum whales join the effort and assist burn tokens. The burn implementation portal for SHIB users, Shibarium.com, has been taken over by the Shiba Inu community. This portal was formerly managed by the Ryoshi Vision for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Analysts have determined the conditions necessary for the asset to have a significant breakout based on recent developments from SHIB developers and significant token burning. The Ryoshi Vision team's relationship with the Shiba Inu team was dissolved after the Shiba Inu team stated that it had acquired control of the SHIB burn portal. The burn portal is a significant component of the ecosystem, according to the most recent revelation from the Shiba Inu developers. Therefore, as part of the Shiba Exchange, the team will continue to host the portal. The internal development team will power the burn portal, Shibarium.com. Users will also be given access to new burn utility features, such as the future Shibarium protocol, a Layer 2 blockchain scaling solution designed to improve the functionality of Shiba Inu's host chain Ethereum. In the next weeks while the site transforms, the Shiba Inu team will be concentrating on community engagement initiatives for the platform for Shiba Swap in full operation. With Shiba Transfer, users won't require a middleman like a conventional crypto exchange like Binance or Kraken in order to transfer currencies. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is working on a rewarding burn technique. Burn is being encouraged in several different ways by portal users. A dead wallet address receives the burn tokens, which are then permanently withdrawn from circulation. According to data from Shibarium.com, 20 million SHIB tokens were obliterated throughout the course of the previous day. These tokens were permanently removed from circulation by a large burn that cleared the meme coin's supply of them. Shiba Inu tokens have been taken out of circulation 410.38 trillion times so far. Shiba Inu's price chart was examined by crypto expert Ali B, who discovered a triple bottom level in SHIB. Ali predicts that the SHIB couple will most certainly ascend the layer. Numerous advantages will result from the use of two solutions. The introduction of Shibarium will, most notably, usher in decreased transaction fees. built on the Ethereum blockchain, is Shiba Inu. Its petrol prices have consequently been far higher than everyone would prefer. The Ethereum's creators are attempting to solve the problem. However, Shibarium could fix the issue for Shiba Inu even faster with a significant improvement. A burning mechanism is another item Shiba Inu investors anxiously anticipate with Shibarium. More than 549 million SHIB tokens are now in use. The only method to lower this total is to burn the current token supply. Although some burning has already occurred, the use of Shibarium is likely to hasten the trend. SHIB will become more expensive the less tokens are in use. Shibarium will also act as the starting point for additional initiatives. One of these is the Shiba Inu Metaverse, which many people believe will serve as a powerful stimulus for Shiba Inu on its own. Shiba Inu being propelled to 0.1 by Shibarium, though, would unquestionably be a difficult task. To get there, the digital token would need to see a gain of over 44 times. Shiba Inu currently reigns supreme in the realm of meme coins. The growth and popularity of meme currencies is mostly due to Elon Musk. Musk has fought tenaciously for Deutsche. On his Twitter feed, he has never missed an occasion to show his support for the coin. Musk has been targeted by the Shiba Inu army in an effort to focus on Shiba. Nevertheless, Musk hasn't formally endorsed SHIB. The news on the Boring Company's website will, nevertheless, make the SHIB army very happy. Musk just announced the launch of his burnt hair fragrance collection. In exchange for the $100 bottle price of the perfume, Musk is accepting cryptocurrencies. He stated that customers could pay with their SHIB as well as Deutsche to purchase the perfume. The latest invention is made by the Boring Company, which previously developed a flamethrower a few years ago and dug subterranean tunnels to relieve the problem of high traffic. To commemorate this launch, Elon Musk is now jokingly referring to himself on his Twitter account as the perfume salesperson. The perfume can be purchased with credit cards, PayPal, or even BitPay. Shiba Inu is one of the cryptocurrencies that can be used by customers to pay for the perfume using BitPay. The SHIB is happy that the meme coin may now be used to make purchases on the website of Elon Musk's Boring Company. Armin Army. SHIB's burn rate has decreased by 87% over the past 24 hours, according to other news. Yesterday, the burn rate increased by over 400%. However, it didn't last long. Ryoshi Vision will no longer be in charge of the SHIB burn site, according to a recent blog post by the Shiba Swap team of Shiba Inu. According to the announcement, Shiba Swap made the decision to take charge of the gateway because the Ryoshi Vision team was not in contact with them. The SHIBburn website has assisted in reducing the amount of SHIB in circulation, although there have been issues with prizes going missing. The forthcoming rewards program was discussed by the Ryoshi Vision and Shiba Swap teams. However, when the Shiba Switch team attempted to get in touch with Ryoshi Vision once more, there was, according to the release, complete silence. The titan of technology, after collaborating with Coinbase, Google is now accepting payments for its services in Shiba Inu and 9 other cryptocurrencies. According to Thomas Kurian, CEO of Google, "We want to make building in Web3 faster and easier, and this partnership with SHIB and Coinbase helps developers get one step closer to this goal." The Level 2 remedy for Shiba Inus is called Shibarium. Project manager Shitashi Kusama recently predicted that Shibarium would launch very soon. The Layer 2 approach will, in fact, offer a number of advantages. The introduction of Shibarium will, most notably, usher in decreased transaction fees. The Ethereum blockchain serves as the foundation for Shiba Inu. Its fees have therefore been more higher than everyone would have preferred. Ethereum's creators are working on a significant upgrade to solve the problem. Shiba Inu could, however, find an even faster solution to the issue with Shibarium. Shibarium investors are also eagerly anticipating another thing. It is an apparatus for burning. Over 549 trillion SHIB tokens are in use right now. The only method to lower this total is to burn the current token supply. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.